How to use mirror command in AutoCAD. Today we are learn about mirror. I have this object, this wash basin. If I want to this wash basin is coming outside of this toilet, so how can I mirror this one? First off, we select the command draw panel in mirror or use the shortcut key. I select this mirror command in draw panel. Which object I want to mirror, I will select. I want to this object is mirror. I will select this object. Then right click from mouse. Then specify the base point. Then click and you see this one is mirror. Then click again from mouse. Now it's asking about the mirror erase source object, yes or no. If you want to is old one wash basin, if you want to remove, you can press yes. If you want to also is inside, you can press no. So I want to outside and inside is both, so I will press N, then enter. You see there is both side of wash basin is, and again I will check here with shortcut key. I will press from keyboard M I, then press enter. Now command is active. I will select this wash basin. Select right click from mouse. Then I will select the specify the first point. Then you see this one is coming outside of mirror. Select OK. The other one, this one I will select is no, because there is I need to inside and outside is both. Here I don't want to inside the toilet. I want to only outside, so I will press yes. Y, then enter. You see this one is erased from inside. So this is the use of mirror command.